Welcome to Mercury. We wanted to say thank you to our customers, suppliers, and partners who have been with us for many years. For the past 5 decades, Mercury has been a partner in projects that shape the world of tomorrow for all of us. We recently joined the Godot Group, our new parent company. We hope and wish the new cooperation will allow us to continue, innovate, and offer you additional products and services.
Mercury markets knowledge-intensive products and services. Over the years, it has become a leader in Israel and a true partner to a wide community of companies and organizations in the field of research and development, academia, and a variety of advanced industries in all areas of life. Mercury is an authorized distributor of the 6 brands of Merck, the world's leading company in the field, offering a wide and diverse portfolio of tens of thousands of advanced products and solutions for research laboratories and industry. Mercury has a broad and professional team of experts who accompany the client with support and answering any question, while applying and promoting values of quality, service, and professionalism. We are committed to excellent service tailored to customer needs while helping to achieve goals and maximize performance. No wonder our slogan is, "Enlightening your path to science." At Mercury, we specialize in handling every step of the supply chain, from understanding the need, professional advice, tailoring a solution or product, accompanying processes, importing, permits, regulation, storage, and distribution, all under one roof. We will continue to offer solutions to our customers, including a variety of products combining quality, scientific innovation, professionalism, excellence, and uncompromising service. Thank you for your attention. Contact us and we will be happy to be a part of your next challenge.